Hey guys, so today's lesson is about markdowns. As you can tell, a markdown is something that you subtract, okay? And what we're going to be doing is we're going to be writing percentage expressions with markdowns. Now last week I taught you about discounts. When you have a discount, you have an original price that is 100% of whatever it is, and you are subtracting your discount, let's say 20% of whatever it is, and you get your final answer. 100 minus 20 equals 80% of whatever it is. You take your 80%, you turn that into a decimal, moving the decimal point 2 spaces to the left, and it becomes 0.80. Please remember that you need to put the variable next to it. If you tell me the answer is 0.80, you got it wrong. 0.80 means nothing. It's 0.80 of x. You need to tell me 0.80 times x, okay? This would be the final answer if I were calculating the new price. Okay? That's what I taught you for discounts. I also taught you for discounts that let's say someone's offering a discount of 55%. Yeah? Now, if instead of the new price, I asked you to tell me the discount as a percentage expression, you don't have to worry about the 100. All you have to do is take your 55%. You move the decimal point 2 spaces to the left. Becomes 0.55. Yeah? Now let's say it's a discount of 55% off of y. Well, that's going to be 0.55 times y. That's your discount. 0.55y. Remember, there is a huge difference. If you are calculating the new price of an item, you subtract 100 minus the discount equals your new price, okay? However, if you are calculating the discount as an expression, the discount by itself, you don't have to do 100 minus anything. You just turn the percent to a decimal and you put the variable next to it. Now, the really good news is that markdowns are the exact same thing. It's practically a synonym, okay? Synonyms mean two words that are the same, just in case anyone didn't know that. Let's say that I see a beautiful coat, and this coat is on sale. Yes, that's a coat. This coat is on sale. It has a markdown. This coat has a markdown of 25%. It's a markdown, so you're subtracting. Let's say I want you to tell me what the new price is. Well, easy. You're going to take the original, and it's a coat, right? So let's use C as a variable. You're going to take the original amount you would pay, which is 100% of C. You're going to subtract the markdown. You're subtracting because it's a down. So minus 25% of C, and you get your final answer, or 100 minus 25 equals 75% of C. Remember, you ain't done yet. You cannot tell me 75% of C is your answer. No, I want an expression. You need to turn that 75% into a decimal. So move the decimal point 2 to the left. It becomes 0.75. And remember, if you give me 0.75 without a variable next to it, you are completely wrong. You must have a variable, okay? So the variable in this case with C, we're going to just write the C next to it. That's all we have to do. That's all there is to it. Let's do another example. Let's say in this example, I tell you that I am buying a pair of glasses, okay? So I'm buying a pair of glasses. Now originally, they are worth 100% of their cost, G, yeah? But they're on markdown, and they have a markdown of 40%. So if it's a markdown, I subtract minus 40% of G. Well, 100 minus 40 equals 60% of G. Perfect. Remember, it needs to be a decimal. 60%, well, you take the decimal point, you move it 1, 2 to the left, it becomes 0.60, and remember, you must have a variable. So the new price of the glasses, if you're looking for the new price of the glasses, it becomes 0.60G. Boom, you're done. Now, both of these examples have been for the new price. What if I give you a separate one where I just want you to tell me the discount as a percentage expression? Remember, new price, new price. Here, I am telling you that a smart speaker is on sale for a markdown, a discount, yeah? It has a markdown of 8%. No, I'm sorry, not 8. Let's make it 18. It has a markdown of 18%. How would I represent the markdown as an expression? Remember, please, you are not calculating the new price. If I'm asking for the markdown by itself, I just want that percentage as a decimal. So take the markdown percentage, which is 18, make it a decimal, move the decimal point 1, 2 spaces to the left, 0.18, and I said this was of a Bluetooth speaker, right? So let's make the variable B. It's a markdown of 18% of B, so your final expression would be 0.18 B. Okay, let's do one more. In this case, let's say we're selling a phone. So the phone, let's assume that I want, once again, the markdown only. This phone has a markdown of 25%. No, we did that already. Of 35%. So if it's a 35% markdown, I turn the percent to a decimal, 1, 2 spaces to the left, 0.35, and it's a phone, so 0.35 of the original price of P. That's it. Please, please realize, if you are looking for the new price, you do 100 minus the discount equals the new price. However, if you are looking only for the discount, only for the markdown, only for the sale, all you have to do is take the percentage and turn it to a decimal. Take the percentage, turn it to a decimal. Good luck.